How to use WestJet RBC Elite Mastercard Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. The WestJet RBC Elite Mastercard can be a game changer for frequent flyers, but beginners often make mistakes that limit rewards or even cost them money. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They don't understand the reward structure. The surprising truth is that this card offers $15 WestJet for every dollar spent on everyday purchases and $2 WestJet per dollar on WestJet purchases. Not maximizing these categories means leaving rewards on the table. Another common mistake is ignoring the annual fee. At CAT, some users feel it's steep, but the card includes benefits like companion vouchers, free checked bags, and priority boarding. Using these perks fully often outweighs the fee. Many beginners also forget to monitor foreign transaction fees. This card has no foreign transaction fees, which is great for travel. However, using other cards abroad by mistake can cost extra. Always plan which card to use. Finally, beginners often overlook timely payments. Carrying balances can lead to high interest rates, which erases any travel rewards. Paying in full every month ensures you truly benefit from the card. In conclusion, using the WestJet RBC Elite Mastercard properly means understanding rewards categories, leveraging perks, avoiding foreign transaction mistakes, and paying balances on time. Following these steps ensures you maximize travel rewards without unnecessary costs.